Hi, what's up everyone? Today it's kind of different. We're looking at probably the best vlogging app for iPhone, the Doubletake made by FilMiCPro.
Let's get started.
Okay, let's talk about the developer first. If you don't know who FilMiCPro is, they are the company that developed the most advanced video recording app, the FilMiCPro, on iPhone and iPad. The app allows you to adjust a lot of professional settings manually so you can get the best videos out of your iPhone or iPad cameras. They have just released a new app called Doubletake that allows you to record videos with any two of the cameras on your iPhone simultaneously. Let's take a look at some of the features, pros and cons of this app so you can decide if it is the right app for you. It's so weird recording with like 3 cameras at the same time. When you first open up the app, it will ask you for the permission to access the cameras and the mic on your phone. After that, you will see a very simple, well, kind of too simple app interface. There is basically no words or descriptions on any of the functions. Let's go through the buttons one by one. The bottom right button, that looks like a recording button. I pressed it, it was white before, it's now recording, so it's now showing a red square. This is where you start recording. You press onto it, it records, you press onto it again, it stops. But I'm not gonna stop it on my phone. The top left button is where you can check your recorded video. So I'm gonna stop the recording and then tap onto that to open up what I've recorded so far. In here, you can manage the videos that you have recorded and you can forward them by tapping onto the checkbox at the bottom left. Select the video that you want to forward or save to your camera roll. You have 3 more buttons at the bottom. The bottom right, it's the delete button, and the one on the left, it's the save to camera roll button that you can save this video onto your camera roll because originally the video is saved within this app but not your camera roll on your phone. So if you tap onto that, the video will be forwarded to your camera roll. The one next to it is the forward button that you can share the video directly from this app. If you tap on the X at the top left, it will bring you back to the recording screen. Now this is where the magic happens. It sounds pretty cool, right? Anyway, you see that icon that looks like a camera lens sort of thing at the bottom left? That is where you can select multiple cameras to record at the same time. You can select up to 2 cameras to record video at the same time right now. You have camera A and camera B. Camera A, it's the main recording camera that is going to show up as the big screen, and camera B will show up as a small screen. So now I have the ultra wide on my 11 Pro as the A camera and the selfie camera as the B camera. So that's what you're seeing. At the bottom right, you will be able to select the frame rate of the video. I'm just going to keep it as 24 frames per second just to keep it as like cinematic kind of. So that's my setting right now. After you have selected them, you can tap on confirm and go back to the previous screen. Of course, you can switch between A and B camera by just deselecting any of the cameras and tap onto the first one as the A and then the second one as the B. So that's how you do it. Once you have selected all the cameras, tap on confirm. There's one more button that you need to set up before you start recording. The button at the top right corner that doesn't really look like anything. This button allows you to cycle through 3 recording modes. The first one is called discrete. This is where the camera or the app will actually, let me scroll to discrete first. So this is discrete mode. This allows the phone to record the videos separately. So basically it'll record a video using camera A and a video using camera B. So you'll have 2 separate video files. This one gives you the most flexibility when it comes to post editing. So you have 2 videos. You can do like picture in picture later, or you can just keep them separate. The second mode is called PIP, picture in picture. I really don't know why they didn't just put picture in picture instead of PIP. So this picture in picture mode actually will record everything you see on the screen right now. So you have a small screen at the bottom right by default. If you move it to the middle, it will show in the video that you have moved it to the middle. And you have up to 6 spots to move the small screen, by the way. So you can have better management because you might have the small screen blocking the main screen, right? So that's picture in picture mode. If you want to make the small camera screen bigger, you can tap onto the 4 arrow icon at the top right of the small camera B screen, and it will become a full screen, and it will block off whatever that is recording with the camera A because it's now recording just using camera B. So let's make it smaller again by tapping on the same thing, move the screen back. That's picture-in-picture mode. The last mode, it's called split screen. This one is the simplest to understand, but probably the least flexible mode. You have two screens side by side or top and bottom. Basically the camera A at the top and camera B at the bottom recording at the same time. You don't have much flexibility, you cannot move the screen around. So this is probably the easiest to use, but yet the least flexible mode for video recording using two cameras at the same time. All right, let's talk about some of the things you have to keep in mind when you're recording videos using the Doubletake app. First, the quality of the video is fixed at 1080p. No 4K, no 720p, just 1080p, at least for now. Second, the camera angle will be limited because your phone shape is fixed. Well, you can, unless you bend. No, don't try it. It will take some practice to get used to the camera angles. There is one quick tip I have for you if you want to look more natural using the front-facing camera as one of the recording cameras. Move the small screen to the center top, and now when you look at your face, your own face, at the center top screen, you will be actually looking very closely to the camera at the front.
All right, so this is the mic test of the Doubletake app made by FilMiCPro. I'm recording using the front-facing camera and the ultra-wide at the back, and you're looking at my really weird ghetto kind of setup right here. But yeah, this is the teleprompter that I made, and I'll probably make a video showing you guys how I made it. Yeah, this is the mic test. So this is just the built-in mic on the iPhone. All right, this is the second vlogging test, testing the mic. I'm actually using AirPods now, and hopefully the audio is coming from AirPods. You can tell me if it sounds better than the video before. If not, then it's probably not taking the audio from the AirPods, but hopefully it does. And let me know if there's any delay because I am not going to edit anything in post.
That's it. Doubletake is a very creative app not only for vloggers. It allows you to use one device to record multiple angles at the same time. It is good for vlogging, interviews, or if you want different focal length when you don't know if you need to zoom in or out. Just record using the wide angle lens and the zoom lens at the same time. The app is still very new, so I'm excited to see the future development of this app, especially a better user interface with at least words. If you have any questions about this app or if you have anything you want me to review on this channel, leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, share it with your friends and family to help this channel grow. Thanks for watching, good luck creating, and I'll see you guys next time.